This is the only crypto notebook you'll ever need. The 2022-2023 official DHN crypto journal. With it, you can track your monthly dollar cost averaging, record the most important information about your favorite assets, store recovery phrases, and it even has a small crypto dictionary with some common terms for newcomers to the crypto space. Now let me show you the inside. Now this isn't your typical low content journal. This journal was built specifically for us crypto enthusiasts, guys. In the first few pages, you'll see your monthly crypto holdings. This is where you can track your dollar cost averaging, and you can see here, guys, we'll zoom in real quick, and you'll be able to track it based on your crypto token amount, the current value, and the exchange that you hold it on. But that's not even my favorite part. My favorite part is the bulk of the book. These are the crypto resumes, guys. Yes, we're going to do some doxing ourselves from now on. Let me dive into these with you. Let me show you how we can use these things. So if you're new to the crypto space, there is a heap ton of information that is going to be thrown at you right away. Well, me being in the space going on 3 years now, I've pretty much gotten the gist of what the most important things are to know. If you're looking into a particular crypto asset, you want to really focus on what they're focusing on. So right at the top, there's a space for you to write down a few areas of focus for the particular asset. Are they in DeFi? Do they produce NFTs? Are they working on cross-border payments? Are they in the metaverse? You can add all of that right here. And another important piece of information is the tokenomics of the asset. Now, on most your CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, most of those websites, they'll give you that information readily, and a lot of crypto projects will have it listed on their website. So when you see it, you can pick a page for them and jot it down right there. Now, the next most important thing, especially when you're looking into new projects, is what have they done lately? Their biggest achievements. That's why I really had to stretch out this portion of that of the particular page here, because the biggest achievements gives you an idea of where that project has been and where it could potentially go. On the subject of where it's going, you'll see here we have a few bullet points for roadmap, developments, things that are coming down the line for your particular asset. And right next to that is the investors, the people that are going to be putting money down to make sure that these roadmap developments and goals get achieved, guys. But there's a little bit more for you. Towards the end, you'll find a few pages where you can store your private keys or recovery phrases. All right, now this has caused a lot of turmoil to people, new investors that come into the crypto space. I can recall numerous stories where people have lost their recovery phrases and lost their private keys and lost access to wallets worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Don't let that happen to you. That's why I included this section in the notebook, guys. And you'll have about 3 good pages in order to record these. You know, of course, you're not gonna have crypto on this many different places, but just in case you do, you can now keep track of all of those things. And especially for the new investors, there will also be a bit of a crypto glossary. Okay, we call it just everyday crypto jargon. These are just a few basic terms that you need to know and have an understanding of when you get into the crypto space. We got altcoins, Bitcoin, what blockchain is, that's very important. Crypto mining, because a lot of cryptocurrencies are still on proof of work, so you need to understand that process. Proof of stake, Ethereum is moving to proof of stake, so that's very important to know as well. And there'll be a few more definitions too. Don't want to reveal them all. That's for you to discover. But all in all, guys, it's the only crypto journal that you'll need. The reason I created the DHN Crypto Journal was to help you become a self-educated crypto enthusiast. There's a whole lot of information that'll come your way when you enter the crypto space, but there are not a lot of tools on the market to help you manage it all. Well, that's what this journal is for. If you're interested, all you got to do is click the link right down in the description, guys. And as always, you know what I'm going to tell you. Have a great day. Have a prosperous day. And most importantly, if that money is digital, so is the hustle. I'll see you in the next video.